Governor Sonny Perdue's first of two tort reform bills which aim to spur economic growth in Georgia failed to pass out of the Senate Economic Development Committee this afternoon. SB 101 would have granted biomedical companies based in Georgia or have at least 200 employees in Georgia immunity from lawsuits. Governor Perdue's Senate floor leader Bill Calzard explains a last-minute substitute to the bill which lifted immunity from compensatory damages but left in immunity for punitive damages. He is followed by Senator George Hooks and Angie Childers of the Georgia Trial Lawyers Association, who has spoken out against this bill since it was introduced.
If you were to have manufactured a drug in a defective manner or designed a drug in a defective manner, you could still be sued for compensatory damages, so any Georgia resident would be able to recover their damages for medical expenses, lost wages, and their pain and suffering, but would not be able to get punitive damages from a drug manufacturer if they went through the FDA approval process in good faith without committing any fraud on the FDA.
Technically, you could be making some device down on the Rio Grande or something, or in India, and Georgia citizens would be the only ones that'd be given up the right to sue if I had a bad hip or a knee or something.
That's correct.
The only thing these companies have to do to avoid liability is simply tell the FDA and the doctors who prescribe their drugs everything they know about their drugs. That's it. When they do that, we don't have a claim against them. This takes away the incentive they have to let the FDA and the public and the doctors know about conditions that weren't apparent in their drug when it was first approved for marketing.
Again, SB 101 did not pass out of committee, receiving 7 nay votes and 4 in favor.